Presenter, you want to run the class?
No, presenter, organizer or something to record it.
Okay.
Session.
I thought you will take the session today.
Thank you.
Where is Swapna? Ravi?
I
Not in today?
don't know.
Can you just check?
Yeah, she just sent me a text saying that she can't be able to make today also.
Okay. Hey, this I've worked out. Just see what's this item interest. So funny. You'll see this now. See this.
Yeah, why it was picking the wrong?
No, still it is not picking for us. Watch for this company. After your session was done, I was doing the same for the following people. Sometimes this IDS version behave in a very weird manner. KC, okay? Hello?
Yes.
Uncheck this one, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Same we did, right? Nothing different, okay? Whether you select or whether you don't select, that doesn't make a difference, okay? KC, what is the percentage? 10, right?
Okay, 10%.
What is the percentage here?
Okay,
12, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
So credit is 12, okay?
Yeah.
Debit is 10,
Okay.
FINT. So before I show that, I just want to show you the customer. FBL 51. What is that customer, man? Let me check. Yeah, this is the customer. Okay.
Okay.
1,200. Okay. So I'll run for the. I'll run the interest run. (31/01/2014) execute. How much credit? 12.
Wow.
Debit 10.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Okay, correct. This calculating. See in hours now. This clear, right? Should I check now hours? Okay. Ravi.
Yeah.
Ali. Okay. Now let's do hours. I don't know, man, why it's behaving such a weird. See here. WC, right?
Right.
I did not check.
Right.
Okay. It doesn't make a difference whether you take this or this. This is a little bit different. Cleared with payment. Okay. Maybe in between you have cleared it, so for that it will take into account. Okay. And there is nothing. See, below nothing I have given. Same thing. Back. So let's check our interest rates also.
Yeah.
I'll remove this. No, 12 plus 12, 24 it is becoming. Right? Premium on top of that, right? Yesterday we seen it, right? Ali?
Yeah.
Back. Let me change that also. It is more confusing. So one is W12 and one is W9, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So credit is what? 12% is what? Debit, right?
Debit. And
9% is credit.
Yep.
Okay, we'll check the values also, what we have given over there. Okay, position 9%,
Yeah.
W2 12%, correct we gave. No, if you do not give here and there you gave, then it will not calculate, okay? Maybe that is the reason I'm checking over here. Clear? Now what I'll do is, I'll create a fresh customer. Okay?
Okay.
Give me some name. Mr.
Ali?
Ali is there, man, already.
No, Ali is not there. Ravi and Hariprasad are there.
Okay. Something, some number. Company code data. I have to give the indicator also, right? Here. WC.
Yeah. Right.
I'll save it.
No, but it is in K5, 500.
Good, man.
That is W01.
See, customer found with same address. WC. Save it. Okay. Okay. Now what we'll do is, we will go to the other customers and remove that indicator. Okay. Hari Prasad. Oh, okay. Nothing, not there. Ravi. It is there. I'm removing this.
Okay.
Save it. So now I'll post some invoice to Ali. /n f-22. Ali 1050. Okay.
Yeah.
ABL 5N 34. Execute. Correct 1000? Ravi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ali, I hope I'm not fast. Okay. It's the same thing I'm repeating. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Now what I'll do, I'll run the interest run, then I'll come back and do that. Okay. Memo.
Yeah.
Straight memo.
Okay.
Okay.
So what percentage?
12.
9.
Okay. Credit.
Okay. No, debit I think this is. Let us see. This is credit. 12.
Okay. 12 is credit.
The other way around we said.
Okay.
W9 is debit. Correct, no?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Back. F dash 27 1001 1001 34 some 200. That's fine, man. 40. We'll save it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that FBL finance, okay, right? Now we know that, so I'm not going into it. I got it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is there. It's strange.
He doesn't like Ravi now.
No, that means Ali is right.
Ali is right. Huh? Clear? Now on
Yeah.
this. Oh, okay. So this was one. Okay. Today let's move to the another one. Topic. Foreign currency valuation. Important chapter. So SW01, its legal currency is what?
USD.
Or company code currency. People call it so many. Or object currency. As he said, it is USD. Right?
Right.
Now, if I'm trying to transact in other than USD currency, that is EUR, INR, AUD, CAD, whatever currencies, termed as foreign currencies.
Foreign currency.
Clear terminology of this foreign currency? Fine. Now, as per your US section IAS 21, you need to evaluate the foreign currency against the legal currency. Legal currency, local currency, object currency, company code currency, whatever you call. Okay? So when I am trying to evaluate against the foreign currency against the legal currency, what am I achieving? I am trying to know whether I am making a exchange rate gain or loss. Right?
Yeah.
Am I right? Whether you are making a gain or a loss. That is what you do, right, Ravi, when you send money from US.
Yeah.
Right? When the dollar is high, you are happy. When it is low, you are not happy. But we are at either it is low or high, we are sad. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So exchange rate gain or loss. When we say exchange rate gain or loss, why do I need to know exchange rate gain or loss? Why do I need to collect this information and record? Because I need to show the true financial position of the company. Don't consider only $100, $200 will be there in the reserves. There will be some millions of dollars big companies will have in the name of foreign currencies, right?
For
Hello?
whom they are going to show this true financial position of the company? Is it showing to the local government or it is
Yes.
to the foreign
Yes.
government?
No, not foreign, your local government.
Okay.
Okay, like in India, if you are holding USD, you need to show it up, right?
Right,
from
right.
where you got,
Yeah.
right? You cannot say I just bought from US just like that. Okay.
Right.
Same way, the bank, suppose this our company SW01 is holding 1 million euros, okay, 1
Mhm.
million euros, and in that USD, in the US government, when you are holding this much of euros, you need to show up, right? You need to show to the government that I'm holding this much. So when you are trying to show this, you at the same time you need to show to the government if you are making a profit or a loss by keeping that currencies as a reserve, right?
Okay.
So that is what we are trying to achieve. Ali, clear?
Yeah, that is correct.
Okay. Now how do we achieve this? Now come back to the SAP side, technical side. Exchange rate type. We have something called exchange rate types. For example, M stands for average rate. Okay. Default system picks this. Okay. I'll tell you what is this all. B, this is bank selling. You will have, right, different rates, Ravi? Bank
Yeah.
buying rate, bank selling rate.
Yeah.
G, bank buying, right? You have this. So when the bank is selling, it will be lesser, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, right? For example, let's say 60. Now it will be like 55. So when the bank is, when the bank is selling, it will be
Buying-
more,
Ba-
65.
Bank is selling, yeah, it will be higher.
Higher.
Yeah.
Bank buying will be, they'll buy 55.
Yes.
So average of this will keep it as 60. Okay.
Okay.
This is how the rate. This exchange rate types you can define as many as you want. Okay.
Okay.
This exchange rate types will have the conversion form. Conversion is there. To
Okay.
this exchange rate type, you should say how my $1, 1 USD should convert into whatever that INR or EUR or whatever you say.
Mm-hmm.
How it should convert? It should convert in the ratio of 1:10, 1:100. In what ratio it should convert? Getting my point? Conversion means, Ravi,
I'm not getting it.
that $1 is there, huh?
Oh, you're showing as 10 rupees or 10 euros.
No, no,
right?
no, no. Conversion. I'm not saying. Let's say, as you said, let us put that way, whatever you're saying. For example, 1 USD, you're selling 60 INR.
Okay.
As of now, that is the rate, right?
Right.
Approximately 60 INR. Now, when you are saying to the conversion, this 1 USD should convert 10 times of this means how much?
6.
Huh? 10 times, man. 600, na?
600, sorry.
If I say 100 means 6,000, right?
Right.
Don't worry, it will not happen. Okay.
Right.
Okay. So 600. So that is what I'm telling. So my ratio should be now how much? 1:1 only, right?
Yeah,
this
it should
case?
be 1:1.
Right, Ravi?
Yeah.
Now clear? What is the conversion ratio form means?
Yeah. But when do I get that scenario like 1:10 kind of, right?
Right. For example, Zimbabwean currency.
Oh,
Right? It will be huge, right?
right.
So rather than putting like this, for example, let's say 1 USD, for example, let's say Indian currency only. 1 USD has gone up to 6,000.
Oh, okay.
So what will happen if you keep like this? The decimals will become a problem. Rather than we'll keep it as 1:100 then.
Okay.
Clear? Okay. Ali, clear, Ali? I hope this is
Yeah,
clear.
that is okay.
It's simple. Okay. That is conversion. So we will keep 1:1 only, right? Hari?
Yeah.
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 Okay. Next. Then there is direct and indirect quotation. Quotations. Direct quotation, indirect quotation. So if I say direct quotation where I am saying 1 USD is equal to 60 INR, then I have to put like this, 1 divided by 60, 0.01666. Okay.
Okay.
If I say indirect quotation 1 USD is equal to 60 INR, means I can keep directly 60 INR. Like this. It's just putting the value. Okay. At the time of postings, I'll show you over there. Okay. Hello?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's only how you put, man. Either you can put direct or indirect, but you cannot put both. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Next. Let's start first. So currencies are picked from the country level, right? It is defined as country level. We already discussed earlier, right? Currencies.
Right.
From here, country level. For US, USD. For India, INR. For European countries, it will be EUR, right?
Yes.
Depending. Like for United Arab Emirates, it is, I don't know, what is this? AED. Okay. AED it is.
Jana.
For Australia, it is AUD. Australian.
Yeah. Dollar.
Yeah. For Canada, like
Canada,
always it goes with the currency, CAD.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, those picks from the country level. Now, currencies. So here I go. Check exchange rate types. Here, see here. Position. M. These are all default. See here, M. Right?
Yeah.
If this is for average, see. Average rate. Okay. B. Selling, right? That's what I said, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Selling. G. Buying, see. You can define your own. Just say new entries, you can define. Okay? That's it. Back. Right. Define translation ratio. We said, right? Now conversion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll say yes. So I'll go to that exchange rate type M. What I'm trying to convert? Convert my INR, right? Convert the USD, right?
Right.
To
Yes.
INR, right?
Hmm.
See here. 1:1.
Right.
USD, INR.
Okay.
The other way around. M, INR to USD. Same thing, na? Either this way or that way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Indirect.
Clear?
Right.
Okay, fine. Conversion ratio. Enter exchange rate types. Okay, here I'm going. I spoken about indirect quotation, direct quotation, both, right? See here.
Yeah.
Position, exchange rate type M, currency INR, USD. Okay. Now what it has given? 0,2000 something, right? This one.
Right.
So 1 second. Position M, USD, INR. No, it does maintain that way only. M, we are trying to transact in INR, right? Okay. So see, it has given different currencies. See, for fourth it is something, first it is something, right? Date wise, you
Right.
see this date.
Right.
Okay. Okay. What I'll do is I'll try to post this for the first, this one. Okay, and see what currency it picks. Okay.
Okay.
One scenario. Okay. Let us see. So I'll go ahead. I'll say F-43 0101 0101. What is the currency we said we'll post it? INR, right?
Right.
INR. Ravi. Enter. So I'll give 1000. Okay. So I'll post here. Local currency, my USD, right?
Right.
So if I give 1000, let's see what it picks. Okay. So in INR, what rate it will pick? Let's see. I'll press enter. 50,000.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's see why it has taken that rate from there. What it is? 0.02000. Right?
Right.
Okay. Let's
Right.
calculate. See this. See this. See this now. So it is telling 1 USD. 1 USD 50 INR. Okay, let's divide this. 1 divided by 50. How much? 0.0222, right? This decimal sign. No?
Yeah.
Where is the decimal? Here. Right? This is what it is giving, right over here?
Right. Right.
5.
Who is going to maintain that exchange rate?
Do you think if they are transacting in 50 currencies, so manually you will do on a daily basis?
No, right.
So either they will do an upload, okay, LSMW, or they will build up an interface with a forex on a daily basis where these currencies fall into. From there they will pull up the data over here. Okay.
And Forex every day they have to run automatically, right?
They'll run. They just need to execute one transaction. It will be created Z transaction. That from the Z transaction they'll pull it. Like for example, the file will fall here. Where the file will fall? In AL11 transaction code.
Yeah, application.
AL11 here in this. From here they will pick up that and they'll create one transaction and they'll execute that. So automatically it will come and upload in this transaction code OB08. You have to remember this transaction code. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll remove this. So what rate it is picking by default? M rate, not B and G.
Yeah.
They'll ask an enter, what is the default exchange rate it picks? M rate, Ali. Okay?
Yeah.
Make it a note somewhere. Okay, now see this. I'm removing the, acha. It was 2000, right? Now what I'll do, see, can I maintain both? Let's see. 50. What it says?
Only price on an indirect exchange rate.
Either one you can maintain, not both. Okay?
Okay.
So what I'll do is, I'll remove this, I'll maintain 60, I'll remove this. So indirect quotation is, you are trying to maintain in INR.
Yeah.
Okay, direct quotation is that 60 INR in the form of 0.0200 USD, that is.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, now watch this. So I've kept 60, I'll go back. /n f-43. Make sure you change this currency. Okay.
Okay.
INR. So I'll give here 1000. So how much it should be now, Ravi?
It is
60.
around
60.
60,000.
Correct?
Right.
Now difference between direct and indirect clear?
Direct will be local currency percentage and indirect will be the INR
Foreign currency. Foreign currencies.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Why do we maintain in the form of an indirect or a direct? because indirect currency sometimes you will have a decimal problem, so you can directly maintain over there.
Okay.
So you will get an exact conversion. Okay. For example, let's say I'll go back to that OB08. What we'll do, we'll maintain the 60 rate in USD, okay, local currency. It was how much? This one, right? 0.01666, right?
Right.
So let us maintain this 0.0 0
016
66. Sorry.
66667 3.
No, it will not take more than that.
Okay.
That is why we maintain that ratios 1:10, 1:100. Okay. Save. So it should pick 60, right?
Right.
Ali? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see now.
It may not take 60,000 direct, but it may take.
Some close it. It will come close to that.
Right. Approximately, kind of.
Something.
And INR, don't you change that one?
Okay. So I'll give 1000 here. Enter. Getting now, Ali?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm close to you get.
Close to.
Yeah. So that is what 1. Now see, this is for this, right? 101, right?
Right.
Now I'll try to post on the 3rd month and see what it picks. See something different, see? Sorry, 1 only we gave, sorry.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
you
that's what I am
yeah,
saying.
you choose
The third month.
0103.
Yeah.
Currency
80,000.
Wow.
Why it is picking 80? Because in the exchange rate type here for the 0103 is maintained what? See different quotation.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
So what I want to conclude over here is always it is based on these dates.
I thought 01 means, yeah, okay, right.
So that is what I want to tell you people, based on the dates. Most what will happen, the user comes back and say, hey, my rate is picking wrong, man, even though it is keyed in correct over there. Make sure you check the dates immediately.
But the currency rates changes means every 2 or 2nd or 3rd day.
Yeah, so they keep on uploading. See, there will be setup. Okay, that the companies will decide. Either they will upload weekly, okay, or bi-weekly, or as you're saying 3 days, 4 days, depending on that they'll maintain that rates.
See, if
Hello?
it is a weekly kind of thing, if it is on Wednesday, if the dollar rate is high, and by Saturday it has been disaster, like Friday the markets were down and it, again India currency is high then, and dollar rate decreases, then there will be a big loss, right?
Yeah, whatever it might be, whether it's a gain, whether it's a loss, that I have not yet come. I'm just showing you as of now the rates, how it picks. Now I'll come to that rate and loss.
How many months do we have to maintain like this?
Huh?
How many months do I have to maintain for a zero? For all the months I have to do? Like
Not all the months, or not all the months. What I am saying.
I understand what you said is that every month or at the time, certain time, we have to upload this transaction. But,
yeah, they will upload weekly, monthly, whatever they will upload. So what will happen? Sometimes what will happen when you upload now, certain file gets missed from there. So what they'll come back and say, oh, that rate is not picking even though that rate is there. My rate is this, but the rate is getting picked wrong. So you need to come to this OB08. This is a table. This table name is Tcurr, T-C-U-R-R.
okay.
Very important table. Okay, we do not maintain for the whole month or whatever you are saying. Okay, we are concerned only uploading. We don't get into that whether they are making loss, gain, whatever it is, Ali.
Okay. So it is automatically system pick.
Yes, pick. Automatic M. M rate is picking for us. Automatic M.
Yeah.
Sorry. In Teacher, how many records do I have to maintain? I mean, here right now, I have seen in the OB08 for 5 months. 5 months of data.
No. There you are seeing 5 months of data because I am practicing on that. Hello.
Okay.
But
Normally,
now what I am into, now I am presently into April. So I will maintain April data.
okay.
So if I was in January data is lying there. January, February, March data is there. April data is also there. But when I will be posting, I will posting in the month of April. So whatever that April month exchange rate is there, that rate it will pick, not the January month.
Okay.
Okay. This is your table.
For the period 13, 14, 15, 16 will take 12th January, right? Normally, when we think.
Normally, whatever it is. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Now, see, /n f-43. So if I am saying 0101, what it is picking?
January,
50, right?
Right.
Right. But what I'll say here, if you are saying indirect quotation, you should give like this, / indirect quotation. If you are not giving indirect quotation, if you are giving direct quotation, you have to give it in point. So I am saying /, I will say 55. This is manual. Manual.
Overriding that one?
Yeah, overriding 50. So it should be 55 now. Ali.
Okay. You can do that way also.
Yeah, you can do. But usually we don't do it, man. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah.
This is manual. So I have explained you exchange rates. Which picks manual and which picks automatic.
Right.
Okay? Two I have shown you. So automatic always M, right?
Right.
M rate. No, I don't want MN. I want it to pick a specific rate. Okay, let's say specifically, let's say B,
BRG.
INR, whatever you say, USD. So B rate is what here? 65, right?
Right.
Now what to do? I want it to pick this 65. So what you have to do is, you have to go to OBA7.
Okay.
What is the document type for vendor? We are doing vendor postings, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
KR.
KR.
Yeah.
Go to KR. Can you see your exchange rate type for foreign currency documents?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maintain B or G, whatever type. Save it. So what I'll do, /n f-43 0102 2014 INR.
What he did is wrong.
Right. Thank you. Enter 1000. How much it should pick now?
65.
65,000.
Correct.
Right.
So this is the second part. People will try to search the entire world in SAP, but your problem is lying in OBA7. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
So you need to look at two locations. One from the date perspective. One, did they assign any default exchange rate type in OBA7?
Okay.
Clear? So I have shown you further default exchange rate to be picked. OBA7.
Yes,
Okay. Next, let me remove from that OBA7.
If I keep in OBA7, still if I use that /60.
Yeah, anytime, anything can be overwritten.
Okay.
But we don't use it normally.
Right.
That's a very dangerous precedent to do it.
I think KR, maintaining this in the KR is very dangerous, like OBA7.
Yeah. Okay. Next. F-43 0101. Okay. See here. 4,16,000. Enter. Oh, sorry. Swapna is missing some important topics, man. What do you say, Ravi?
What I can say about her?
She'll come up with lot of queries.
If she asks, I like her. Only one thing is that she asks so many questions, so I can get refreshed.
Oh my God. She comes barging, man, every time. I'm posting the entry. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, it is speaking some weird number, man. I don't want this way. Okay, let me change that exchange rate. Only 50 I kept. Okay. Ravi.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Practice, practice. If you do not practice, you will not understand a bit of it. Me saying this looks like a movie. It looks very good. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Okay.
Save it. Now I'm making a payment. /n F-53 clearing.
Yeah.
Okay. When I am clearing, I found that INR currency has gone to 55,000.
Okay.
55. Dollar rate increased. Okay. So increase means your INR got devaluated, right? Hello.
Right.
So what was that amount? 50,000, right? Okay. That's fine, man. Okay. Document simulate. What the error it says?
Exchange rate differ.
Exchange rate different accounts are difference. Incomplete.
Okay.
What is the GL account 102000? Whenever I post to the vendor, it updates where?
Vendor master.
No, I'm posting to vendor master Ali, so it should update to my GL, right?
Yes.
Reconciliation account. So my reconciliation account is 102,000. That is accounts payable.
Right.
It is telling it is unable to identify that exchange rate difference, whatever that is getting. We posted in 50, but the dollar rate has increased, right, to 55.
Yeah,
So
five
that
rupees difference.
Yeah, the difference should be captured, right? Against this account it is telling. So we need to create two things. One is exchange rate gain, one is exchange rate loss.
Loss.
Okay.
Two GLs now. So exchange rate loss will be your copy. So let's say 25. So this is my exchange rate loss. Expense, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Loss is expense. Save. Similarly, I need to create one gain. Yeah.
Okay.
2 GLs. Now, either you can proceed from here, that error part, or I'll show you the path also. Here, prepare automatic postings for foreign currency valuation. OBA1 transaction code you have to remember.
Okay.
Okay. What is the transaction key? We are doing it for open items, right? Vendors.
Yeah.
KDF. Double click. Same how we did for discounts. Continue. New entries. Against what GL it has said? 10 2000.
Yeah.
Now if you specify the currency over here USD, it will become specific to that currency only. If you do not specify it, it means for any currency then. Hello?
Okay.
If you do not specify. I mean that foreign currency is INR, right? Ours is?
Yes.
You can make it specific to INR. If you do not specify, it can be for any currency that will capture your exchange rate gain or loss there.
Okay.
25. Hey, this I've created just now, these accounts. Hello?
Yeah. Okay. GL.
Loss
Okay.
and there. This I'll come back later. Okay. Enter. I'll save it. Back. Now what I'll do, that error message was coming. I'll close this. Either you can proceed from here. It will take you the same place. See here. See? Right? I'll close this. Document. Again I'll simulate. Simulate. Got exchange rate gain now?
Right.
Your dollar got increased, man. So it's a gain for you, right?
Right.
55, no? It has gained. So it's a gain. But it is giving what? 00, see?
Yeah, it is not showing there.
Display currency here. This is INR. It will not display. It will display your local currency. Display here. Click on this. Got it now?
Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, clear.
So this is how you will get your exchange rate gain. If it was devaluated, your dollar got devaluated, then it will be a loss for you then.
Okay. So then.
Right? You need to pay out more. So it's a loss.
Okay.
Same thing applies across your customer, same across everywhere. But in the case of a customer, then there you will give your receivable GL.
Can we reset that one by INR 45? INR slash 45 kind of thing.
You want me to do it 45, huh?
Right. So that it will be loss, right? Exchange rate
Okay.
loss.
Yeah. Because your value got devaluated.
Right.
Here I am giving manually. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Usually what will happen, whatever that rate is there in the M, that it will pick on that
But
day.
you have to change currency to INR.
Yeah, I'll change it.
Yeah.
No, you need to try to understand what I'm trying to explain you here. I'm telling you, I am giving manually here. On that particular day when I'm clearing, whatever that amount is there, that it will pick. I'll not give like this.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, what I'm saying is, like as you said 45, here I'm giving manually, right?
Right.
So what usually will happen in OB08 for that particular 011, I'll give here, let's say I'll remove this, it has gone to 45 on that day.
Right.
I'll save it. So in 43, I don't need to give here.
Yeah.
Here. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
You might be thinking we should give that way. No. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
It can be any time, right? Ali, clearing. It can be whatever days might be. As per that, it will pick.
Yeah, it will first check for manual entry. If it is not there, it checks for automatic entry.
Yeah, whatever it is. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So this is what I'm capturing. Okay. So this is about your exchange rate loss, exchange rate gain, and all those things. So tomorrow what I'll do is, let me start. What I'll do is, there will be open items, right? Like for example, this vendor, that vendor invoices, right? We need to make the payment, means they'll remain open, right?
Right.
Hello. For
Yeah.
example, let's say /n F-43. So it will pick up 45 well. Okay, we maintain 45 there, right? See.
Right.
Array. 5 minutes. Hello.
Are you ready for other class or what?
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Go ahead.
1000. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Save it. /n ABL 1N 4,16,000 execute. This $1,000 is there with me, right? Holding, right?
Right.
Same way, F-22 customer, right? This is.
Right.
So let's say for the customer, what I'll do it manual over here. /60. Okay. So we'll take Ali. Enter. 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 Correct, Ali? 60,000.
Yeah.
50. 3 series. 67. So we posted what invoices? We posted vendor.
Yeah.
Okay. $1,000 at the rate of
45.
45, which is 45,000.
Right.
Right. Then I posted customer, right?
$1,000
$1,000 USD at the rate 60,000. Okay. Now every month we close the books, right?
Right.
Every month we close the books. When I am closing the books, when I am taking the financial statements, am I giving the true position of the company? If I am not valuating this currency?
No.
Payment is not done. Ali, neither we made a payment to the vendor, neither we received the payment from the customer.
Yeah.
So these are still open items.
So we have to close it.
We do not have to close it. We need to evaluate this on that given day. That is on the last day of the month. Last day of that month, whatever that month will be. Last day of the month, I need to evaluate the open items.
Okay.
Why do I need to evaluate? Because I need to show the true financial position of the company in order to know by keeping this amount in INR whether on that day I'm making a gain or a loss.
Okay.
Clear? Now you understood? Ravi?
Yeah.
If you are keeping that if you are keeping that 45,000 INR and 60,000 INR, and when you are closing the books, you think you are giving the right position of the company. You are not giving, right?
Right.
So in order to give the true position, that is where the law says, as per your IAS section 21, please evaluate the currencies.
Okay.
So what we will do, we will evaluate the currency by telling whether I'm making an exchange rate valuation loss, exchange rate valuation gain, and immediately on the first day of the month, I'll reverse it again. Here again on 31st I'll do, on the first I'll reverse. Here?
Okay.
Okay, this is what we will do tomorrow on this. Valuation gain and valuation loss.
Okay.
And this we will capture in your balance sheet.
Okay.
Okay, tomorrow I'll explain you all this part. Okay. Alright man.
Okay.
Thanks, Paddy.
Ravi.
Thanks.
Alright.
Bye bye.